Hello, happy Sunday and good morning guys. Mamimili po ng prutas dito sa my fruit store. Ito ay mga fresh fruits at bagong deliver lang guys. Here at Las Piñas Fruit Store. Happy Sunday guys with my kids and buying fruits from the fruit store. Hello and happy Sunday. Good morning sa lahat. And happy Sunday. God bless po sa inyong lahat and happy Sunday. Happy watching Fresh Fruits here at the fruit stores here in Las Piñas. God bless po sa inyong lahat and happy viewing.